Good morning, everyone. It's Scott from Crypto Scott S. Just a special report. I was watching the Bitcoin charts, and we do seem to have a drop in those today that's been pretty significant. What we can see is that it opened at 74.67 and currently is trading at looks like 68.09. So again, a very significant drop here. Wait, let me go forward one. Actually, it's the low was 67.35 rather, and people I'm sure are wondering, hey, what's going on? So what I did was add a couple of trend lines to the chart here. What you're going to see is that this is a typical what would be referred to as a channel up, and if we look at the red line, that shows the bottoms, and we can see that it's kind of been bouncing off of that. And if we see the blue line, that shows the tops with slight expansion there. If we see it drop, like you can see where my cursor is right now, below about 64.82, that would be that it is actually below the resistance of this. Below the support line, and then we got to watch and see if it would go lower. If it goes above 78.61, then we would see it above the resistance line. And this will adjust days going forward, of course. Something that I see here, if we point at the stochastics, the RSI indicator, also known as the relative strength indicator, we're going to see that it's fairly low right now. If it goes below 20%, that's a situation that we describe as being oversold. And if it's above 80%, then it's overbought. So we see it approaching oversold, which would make us think that possibly it might turn around and then head back up, which is what we would expect it to bounce off the support line and start channeling back up, which is nice and predictable. We'll see if that happens. I'm going to go ahead and publish this before right now, before the end of the day, and we'll see if my prediction was correct. If anyone else has questions about charting or Bitcoin, cloud mining, or BitConnect, please ask them below, and I'll try to get to as many questions as I can. Thank you.